So, today we are making some slime. So, we're going to be making some pink slime, since we already made a blue slime that was changed color. But we're going to be using some glow in the dark slime now. So now we're adding in the glue, and if you can see, it's really, really, really sparkly. Like, if you believed us and you actually thought it was sparkly, you would want to be here right now. So, better believe us. So, let's see. Well, sorry, but don't you just love the snorting noise of it coming out? Like, it's so satisfying to me, right? Tell in the comments if you do. Well, we're going to be making this slime like very big, very, very, very big. So that's why we're adding the whole entire bottle. I know you see the slime's bigger, but okay, who cares? Our slime's gonna be pretty, beautiful, and super, super nice. So, if you like slime, tell us what kind of slime you like and we'll do it. Okay? Oh, also tell us in the chat. Don't try to scream through the iPad. Scream through the iPad. So, we're using some magical liquid. Ooh.
Is that what you said?
And it's really, really, really good for slime, I've heard. But I have never used it before, actually. This looks amazing. Look at it. You may not see the sparkles, but it's still amazing. I think we need more activator. Yeah, if you believed us, you would really want to be here right now. Yeah. And it's not ready to mix with our hands yet. Let me scoop up the activator and mix. Ugh. Still need more. Hold on, I wanted to show them. Beautiful slime. It looks like kind of like water, doesn't it? Pink, sparkly, thick water. Very thick. I see slime coming together. Raise your hand if you do. I definitely do. I do. By the way, we were just both raising our hands. Do we need more activator? Yes, definitely. I mean, look at this. A lot more. Okay, that's enough for now. Add some on my spoon, actually. Okay, that's enough. Zoe. Because it needs to go all around. Oh, do I see slime? Yes, you do. You're not crazy, cuckoo girl. Okay, well, we still need more activator, even though it's forming. So I'll also add some on my spoon. Wait. Okay, now add some on the floor. Or here, not the floor. Your mom would get mad if we added it on the floor. Is the floor slime? Because if it was, I would be playing with it right now. Yeah. The floor is slime. Oh, a very hard slime in that back. Can I mix? Yes. Zoe, you're not mixing. I am. Mix harder, Zoe, please. You just mix. Okay. Ew. Can I please mix? Yeah. I like filming anyways. I also like filming. You don't even have a channel. I still film.
For your future channel.
No, for your channel.
Oh. What?
Ooh. Also, filmers get to touch the slime first.
Yeah.
I want to. Okay, it looks like it's almost done. Does this slime, can you feel it?
Nope.
No.
Not slime.
Sorry, guys, but it's close.
I'm gonna just play with the slime meanwhile.
Yeah, Zoe, show them that slime.
It is so satisfying.
Okay, this is not that close, but I still need to keep mixing. They poke holes in that slime. It's so satisfying when you poke holes. Sorry, are you still filming this?
Yeah. Don't blame me. Wow.
So you touch it.
It is still so sticky. But it comes out.
Okay, you need to keep mixing. Oh, yeah, touch it.
Hmm.
And a little more, because I've been adding very little.
Yeah, you ain't.
I have been adding very little. I've been adding, like, Zoe, literally, seriously, Zoe, keep your filthy hands to yourself.
Hey.
Don't put it in that slime. I don't want them to mix. Do you think this is good?
Nope, not one single bit.
Does this say great for slime? Okay, it says great for slime.
Oh, the great for slime things aren't really good for slime.
But the blue one said great for slime.
Oh, well, that one's good. Really good.
Okay, this one now. Okay, Zoe, can you touch?
Still need to mix in a lot of activator.
Hold on. Let me just mix all of this. Look at all this big sticking.
Can we feel?
Yeah, feel? I think I need to add some. Zoe, please move. Okay, now let me go to this. Okay, let me mix it in with the others. Okay, don't touch now, but soon. Touch. Okay, touch. Is it good? Is it good? Oh my gosh.
It almost, but it didn't.
So Blue, I don't want to put activator on your hand. Did I already put it?
No, you didn't put it on my hand.
But I did put it on this side. Is activator bad for your hand?
No.
What does it do?
It just makes it burn a bit. Not burn on fire. Just like sting.
It doesn't sting.
Sometimes. A very light sting.
Ooh,
Let me feel.
it feels good. So can I poke it really quick? I want to show them how I poke it. Oh no, not yet. It's not ready to be poken. This is bad. Let me add some more.
This is really bad. Look at my hand, guys.
Look at my hand.
We're stuck. Look at my hand.
You can spread it across the cloth. Wait, please move. I need to keep mixing.
Sorry. Wow.
Zoe, show them. Not exactly ready. It needs a little more mixing. So it needs a little more mixing with the spoon, and then it's going to be ready to knead.
Okay, this takes out the big guns. I'm holding the spoon the wrong way. This is when I hold the spoon strongly. Ooh.
After that, we're gonna do a test
Yes.
on which one stretches better, which one stretches better, which one bounces better, and
Bounces? Are you sure we can do bounces?
yeah.
Only with the slime.
Yeah.
And only on the mat. And which one you can poke better.
And which one you can make better bubbles with.
Yeah. The bubbles are going to be the best part.
If I get the slime off my hand. Wait one
Okay,
second.
when it's come, hold on.
We're gonna go to kneading, but we'll be right back. Hand mixed.
Sorry, Jobette's not here. We're so sorry. I'll tell Jobette to post in the comments. She's really sorry. But other than that, here's how our pink slime turned out. It's pretty hard. Probably because I played with it too much. But it's great for making balls, and it's super bouncy. And best of all, I get to poke holes in it. So fun. So, we hope you like this video, and I hope you like the slime. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.